Amit Shah and said that a CBI investigation is needed. And the same Rhea Chakraborty has today filed an anticipatory bail application, or at least is ready to do that. In fact, we're getting in some more breaking news information. First, reading out what Kangana has said and getting in some more breaking news information. In her last tweets, Rhea Chakraborty said that she wants CBI for Sushant. She should reveal now who were her partners in crime. It's not just about Rhea Chakraborty. This is something we've been saying over the last few days. It's not just about Rhea Chakraborty. It is about a larger group of people who are possibly partners in crime, who helped target Sushant Singh Rajput. And in fact, we're also getting in breaking news now that the lawyer for the family, in a few minutes from now, we're expecting a big update. In a few minutes from now, we are expecting a big update. But before that, Kangana Ranaut has tweeted on that news update. Let me go across to Kritsween as well. Kritsween, you've been tracking the post of the sister, the post that was put out a few minutes back, saying that truth must prevail. In fact, Shweta Singh Kirti, who's the sister of Sushant Singh Rajput, had also earlier said that yesterday, I think she had said, we are not asking for a CBI probe because we were waiting for the Mumbai police investigation to end. But looking at the way in which the investigation has been going, the family has approached the Bihar police. You have the post with you. Let's tell our viewers about the post.
Yes. Niranjan, something is not quite adding up, and that's what we've been picking up the past few days. And now the family has clearly come out and said that they're unhappy with the way Mumbai police is conducting the investigations. That is highlighted by the fact that the family has highlighted that they were not aware of the depression angle, which a certain people in the Bollywood lobby are trying to push time and again, because we do know that Mumbai police was quick enough to jump to the suicide narrative even before the investigations concluded. Now the family has been pushing that particular angle and has been saying as to how is it that they were completely unaware of whatever he was dealing with on a mental level. Secondly, also reports that we put out, Niranjan, that he was to meet his sister. Now multiple questions that come to light post that if he was to meet his sister, he was making plans with his family. Why would he take such a step? If we were to believe the suicide narrative, why would he take such a step? Now the sister coming out and putting out an emotional post on Instagram talking about justice, because the family is clearly unhappy. They are not content with the way Mumbai police is conducting the investigation, so far so that now Bihar police officials have reached Mumbai. The kind of points which were raised by Sushant Singh Rajput's father in the FIR, top it all. The fact that he's saying that Rhea Chakraborty cheated him financially, mentally harassed him, and not just her, few of his family members also involved. And that's where the question of Mahesh Bhatt also comes into the picture, because there have been reports coming in time and again that she would often ask him to go and consult him whenever he was going through any kind of a low in his career. So several statements now being made by the family are kind of clearing the picture out for the viewers and for all of us to understand how Mumbai police has completely failed as far as the investigations are concerned. Why were they not recording statements of the family members since day one? Why did they fail to look into the details since day one? Why were they trying to jump to the suicide narrative without even trying to understand what exactly transpired the past few months? Because he was on the career front doing completely well. He was releasing some very good pictures, 2 films which were not released yet also, which of course came out post his demise. So something certainly not adding up.
We have to take a short break, but I request all our reporters and team members on this broadcast to stay with us. We're expecting an update. Alisha, Shavan, Kritsween, do stay with us. We're taking a short break, but we're coming back with some breaking news updates on the other side. I request all our team members to stay back.